Welcome to Pharma Gen DRX. For daily new pharma and life science job updates, you need to follow and subscribe Pharma Gen DRX. Today we came with a new job opportunities from Indegene. The job role is Junior Patient Career Advisor and the job location is in the Bangalore. So now I'm coming details on the job roles and who can apply for this job role. So first I'm coming for desired profile, the similar experience of 6 months to 1 year overall in patient counseling skill. If you have any experience before in the 6 months to 1 year in patient career skill, this is a desired profile. And the education, B Pharma, BSc or any similar life science graduate. So B Pharma candidates as well as the BSc or the life science graduate candidate can apply for this job role if they have the prior experience in 6 months to 1 year in any patient's career, patient counseling skill. Then that will be the desired profile. But if you don't have, then also you can apply for this job role. The B Pharma and the BSc candidate can apply for this job role. So what will be the key skill? That is a very much important, and as the company is very popular, so that is the counseling patients for improve health related outcome basis the predefined touch points. So you need to basically, as this is the counseling of the patients and they need to touch, you need to touch with the patient and you need to counsel the patient that what the medication is they are taking or not taking, means health related problems need to discuss with them, and report adverse event or market complaints as per the SOP. That is a very much important. If they have any adverse event for any medication, that need to report and that need to talk with the patient and that need to report to you as per the SOP. Connect with patients in regular interval as per the laid out touch points. Responsible to track and ensure patients adherence to the therapy, manage the compliance and adherence of patients enrolled, review and take approval for financial deviation, should be able to empathize with patients, provide patient support by coordinating with other stakeholders, and ensure patient data entry in CRM tool. This is a very much important. When you are taking any data from the patient, that you need to input in the CRM tool, and you need to put all the details, handle patient queries and providing response from the predefined questions. And obviously this is a very much important to connect with the patients and need to touch with connected with them. And obviously you need to develop good rapport with the physician, capture detailed report to the adverse drug reaction. So this is something related to the adverse drug reaction reporting. So you need to touch with patients as well as the physician and you need to report that in that adverse drug reaction in the CRM tool. So this is an excellent opportunity for the B Pharm candidate as well as the BSc life science candidates. How you can apply for this job role? Just you need to click on the apply now button. After that there will be the sign in option. After doing the sign in, then you can get another page. There you can input your data. Then if your profile will be selected, then company will call you for the interview. All the best. Follow and subscribe Pharma Gen DRX for daily new pharma and life science job updates. Thank you.